Since the inception of this innovation hub, District Science Center Purulia is trying to inculcate scientific temperament among the students of this arena. So, as per requirement of present situation, we want to introduce our students with the present emerging technology. 3D is such type of technology which will come soon very quickly. It will cover the entire market. So, to give them simple introduction, we have introduced a 3D machine here. Here the student will get an opportunity to learn the basic programming, how to work with 3D, so that they can get some idea about 3D printing and how in future when this technology will come, they will give some at least some basic knowledge we can impart on them to improve their curiosity. So this is our motto, and we have our mentors with us. They will give you full description how these 3 printers are working and what is our object and what sorts of introduction we would like to give to our students, our members of this innovation hub. I am requesting all the parents and teachers and all the students, please come and visit our innovation hub. If you think that this innovation hub will be helpful for you in future, please join here. This is a golden opportunity for the students of this arena. Please come and keep contact with us. Thank you.
Welcome to District Science Center Purulia. In our innovation hub, we have a beautiful instrument which is basically a 3D printer. So what is 3D printer? 3D printer is basically we can design a 3D model and we can take a printout of that model. And it is a very interesting technology, and we can design lots of things using this 3D printer. Here in our innovation hub, we have a Flash Forge Guided 2 version of a 3D printer. Now today in this short video, I will explain how to take a printout from this. So first of all, we have to make a 3D design using any 3D making software, design making software like AutoCAD or Tinkercad, any CAD software you can use and make a 3D design. Then you can convert the supported file format by this 3D printer. So for that we have a dedicated software called Flash Print, which is made by this Flash Forge. Okay. So then we take the model using pen drive, or you can connect this machine with Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I will show you how to design a 3D model using Flash Print. Now I will show you how to design a 3D design. Now first of all, you can use your own software. So now what we have done here, I have designed a 3D Bengali letter. Okay. So that Bengali letter we have to convert in the supported file format. So in this software that is called Flash Print, the supported file format is .stl. So you have to convert your 3D design into .stl. So this can be done using any third-party software. You can do that. After converting that, this is the icon, and you have to just double click on that, and that software will open. Okay. Now we have to load the model. So you have to load the file, go to the load file, then you have to open the preferred 3D design. Okay. So in our case, suppose we have done lots of things. Suppose we are doing these things we will print. Okay. Now how it looks like, you can change the view also. Suppose I want to see from the top view, so you can change it. Okay. And you can, by viewing angle, you can change to home view. Home view is the default view. Now you can change the scale of the design using, you have to select that and go to the scale. You can rotate the design, you can move the design, and you can also cut the design. There are lots of editing options are here. So after doing that, we have to go to the print option. So at print, what you will do, we have to save the project. Remember, you have to save the project into a .gx file. So that .gx file actually supported file format for this FlashForge guided to 3D printer. Okay, in our case it is .gx. Most of the cases, most of the 3D printers support this .gx extension. Okay, so after converting that .htl file, after editing, we will have to save to in .gx. Then if this machine is connected to Wi-Fi, you can just take a printout, click the print option. In our case, we don't have the Wi-Fi connection. We have to take that model into the pen drive, and you have to insert the pen drive into 3D printer. So I have taken the design.jx format into this pen drive. Now you can see there are different options. We can connect the pen drive over here. We have a Ethernet port over here. We have a USB port over here. So what I am doing, I am inserting the pen drive into corresponding USB port. Okay. So after doing that, we can choose an option called build. Now when you do that, we have to select. So this is the inbuilt hard disk of the printer. Now this is my pen drive. We have to go to the pen drive. Now in pen drive, I have lots of files over there. Now I have to select that particular design. Which design? Suppose I am taking this. Okay, and after selecting the design, you can copy that design in your machine. So you just press copy. So you see, it's just copied. That copy is completed. Okay. So now you can extract your pen drive, no problem. Okay. So after copying the design into the machine, what we will do? We have to check whether the printing material is ready or not. So before giving to print, I will show you how to load. Actually, it is already loaded. I will just show that PLA, that material which is loaded, which is basically ink for this printer. Okay, I will just show you. This is loaded into the back side. Yes, this material actually called PLA. Okay, so this material actually passed through this pipe, and this pipe goes to the extruder, and it is inserted over here. There is a process to install or to connect this printing material, and that is basically called filament loading. So we can do that. This is the platform where actually the printing will be done. So before give the printing, we have to stick a glue on the surface such that after printing we can just pull it off. The design can be pulled it off easily. Otherwise it will create problem. Now I have to select that particular design. Okay, I will show you from tools option. You please go to the filament. After you go to the filament, you have to first load the filament. Since it is already loaded, I don't have to do that again. Now you can see that the printing is ongoing, and if you see that time left, it is only 10 minutes left, and job done is 86% almost. And you please see the temperature. Extruder temperature is 215 degree and platform temperature is 60 degree centigrade. Okay, and I will show you this job is ongoing now. I am printing a Bengali letter which is in 3D. Okay, now the time left is 9 minutes. Okay, so at the end of this job, when it will be 100%, automatically platform will go down. We don't have to do anything here. So after printout completion of this work, you have to just take it up from the design, but don't touch now because as you see the platform is 60 degrees centigrade, so it will create some damage. When the job is ongoing, please don't touch any portion of the material.